Oh, I'm on the street of Hong Kong and oh, see what I found. Oh, what is that? Peak design. Just randomly on the street. Oh, Hong Kong is an amazing place. Look at that. Brand new. Oh, this is a brand new peak design strap, which is really small, like that. And if you got a normal sized waist, not like me, then when you're not using it, it got a mat leg that put it slightly like that. So when you have a peak design thing, this thingy, step one. Step two. That's low step two. And then like, oh, there's something over there. Oh. Oh. And then when, if you're a kite, like, oh shit, oh, safe. Obviously, you know that Peak Design got this thing, so you can use it with a leg strap and hand strap like this. So this is really, I quite like the design. Actually, the Peak Design is pretty good. Very nice metal. The nylon strap, it's not those just boring black nylon strap. Actually, this one is boring black nylon strap, but this is not as boring. Silver, and I got a piece of leather on it. Luxurious. So in conclusion, I quite like this. I personally don't use a hand strap, but if I use a hand strap, this looks good and then it works well. So it's pretty good. Think of it, buy it now.